Try the Mentos for the geyser. Yes, it feels so...
Try the gas for the balloon. Yes. It feels so inflaty. Try the vinegar for the eruption. Yes. It feels so explodey. Try the soda for the powder. Yes, it feels so powdery. Try the oil for the layers. Yes, it feels so separated. Try the tablet for the lava. Yes, it feels so bubbly. Try the gas for the magic. Yes, it feels so floating. Try the starch for the powder. Yes, it feels so fine. Try the oobleck for the punching. Yes, it feels so goopy. Try the mixture for the weird. Yes, it feels so bouncy. Try the soda for the liquid. Yes, it feels so fizzy. Try the Mentos for the geyser. Yes, it feels so blasty. Try the bubbles for the pressure. Yes, it feels so escaped. Try the yeast for the toothpaste. Yes, it feels so foamy. Try the peroxide for the liquid. Yes, it feels so clear. Try the foam for the warmth. Yes, it feels so steamy.
Thanks for watching Rhys Fun. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.